Let me just get my bits out the bag. Hold on, what we got in there? Charger. Got my microphone, yes. Got my bits and pieces, yeah. Got my Ray-Ban sunglasses in there. Let me get those out because I might need them. Okay. Look at that beautiful sea, Margate. The pier over there where people sit and eat. Beautiful sight. Lovely day. I don't see no signs that says you can't park here. I don't see no. Yeah, I don't see no signs. I've looked everywhere. Yeah, there's no signs that says you can't park here. No private land or anything. So, yeah, little spot. Margate, beautiful. Look at that, beautiful sea. Beautiful Margate. We over here, Contemporary Museum, the Turner Museum of Contemporary Art. Wonderful. I've been in there. Little boatyard down there. Margate. Kent, UK. Just a 2-hour drive from London. And it's a nice day. Look at the sea. Beautiful, still, calm. Lovely day for a stroll. Look at the old cannons looking out to sea. That was when we were defending against marauders, pirates, the French, who knows, but they're there anyway. Beautiful.
It's not opening.
I wonder where Princess May's gone. Oh, there she is. Let's go down. Let's start recording. Let's go down to the sea. You can hear the flapping of the waves. It's a beautiful day here in Margate, Kent, UK. Wonderful. Don't want to jump in the water. He wants to go for a swim. There's where boats. Wonderful, peaceful. The river, the sea rather, is so peaceful still. Weather's good.
Manit, don't go there. Come here.
Yeah, you never know, he might fall in. There's a little boatyard there, and they go down there, and they go slip into the water down there.
I think they are. I thought it was just me and you. We would go back there from there, which I'm not sure. I think Reese, yeah. Not sure. Yeah, yeah. Okay. Alright, bye.
So my mouth outfit's just right.
Right down the front.
Margate Yacht Club. It's nice to live out here because it's near the sea. It's against the sea. The air is fresh and clean, and property is not as expensive as it is in London. And it's a fairly nice lifestyle to live out here, especially if you can earn a living working online. It's beautiful. 2 hours from London on the train, maybe 1 hour, 1.5 max. If you want to drive, 2 hours. Not bad.
He said brown, I said green, and she said yellow.
Yeah, so why are you not? 6, 7. Like an hour and a half.
No, no, this is
Like, you said we get there at 8. What do you mean?
basically I want to get to London before you start.
Like, the sun goes down after eating more than you say.
Yeah, you don't have to I know exactly where I'm going. I'll be going down in a minute. Yeah, I think I've been a bit too busy.
Hi. Spring, what's on? What's on? Bridget Riley. Tracy Emin. There we are again. Sold out.
The lines.
Yeah, with your like neutral pie. That's what happens.
Lady cat.
Wow. Beautiful. Absolutely stunning. David Hockney. Sunday window. Absolutely stunning. Wow. The pleasures of sights.
That's nice. You're a man. Yeah. I had I was quite it weighs it. Yeah. Yeah. Actually, not a lot. I got my yeah. Yeah. So should I tell you that five? What's doing that?